Viruses are a type of microorganism. Micro meaning very small, organism meaning living thing. Viruses are very interesting because they can only survive by invading and living in the cell of another organism. Viruses enter the cell of a human, animal or plant and multiply within the cell of their hosts. Some viruses can make you feel unwell. However, fortunately, humans and animals have many natural defenses against viruses. For example, some of you may have experienced a fever before. This is when your body's temperature increases. This makes the virus inactive. The body also has an immune system which helps fight viruses. It produces white blood cells and antibodies to attack the virus.